Now, I hear serious gardeners talking about compost bins, but I really don't know anything about them, Barbara.
Oh, Danny, it's such a great thing to do in the garden. You know, we all have to mow our lawns, so we get the grass clippings, and then you got to prune your shrubs and got all of that. And then when you do some weeding sometimes, and especially in the fall when you've done the raking of the leaves, you just take all that stuff and you layer it in a compost bin, and it breaks down and it creates this beautiful, beautiful soil.
A little bit of recycling effort, it sounds like.
That's right.
Okay,
That's
now
right.
I see the homemade bins out behind people's fences and so forth, but looks like you've got one from the home center here.
Well, I kind of like this because it's very durable. It's very inexpensive to get and put together, and you can move it around in different locations in the yard. I think it's pretty important to put it somewhere where you don't have to look at it every day. But I'll just show you, it's got holes in the very top of it, and it's got these holes around on both sides, which actually let the rain go in, and that helps to speed up the process of breaking down all those things.
Okay, how long do you think it takes for the soil or anything that you put in there to be usable in the season? How long does it usually take?
You know, it depends on the time of year, but it's probably a couple months. And then there's a door on this particular one, which you can take off and just shovel all this beautiful stuff right out of the bottom, and then just keep layering it in over the top.